Now let us talk about multiplication of terms having exponents. So let us say we have a variable a raised to the power, let's say n, and we multiply this with a raised to the power m. So the answer would be, first we have to check if the base is same. Yes, both terms have base a, only then we can use this rule and we can multiply them and we can simplify them. Otherwise, if the base is not same, then they will stay next to each other. There is no simplification. But if the base is same, then the answer would be the base n plus m. The exponents will be added. So this is the multiplication of the exponent. This is not the addition. The exponents will be added, and it will be very clear to you when we take the next example. 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2. Now the base is same. It means this can be simplified further. And the answer would be 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2. 2 raised to the power 5, and 2 raised to the power 5 is 32, if I'm right. So as you can see, that only if the base is same, then we can just add the exponent. And for example, if we don't add the exponent, then what we do? 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2 is 2 multiplied by 2. So this is equivalent to 2 raised to the power 5, because 2 is being multiplied 5 times, and according to the definition of the exponent, this is 2 raised to the power 5. So whenever you multiply two terms with the same base, the base should be same. You have to be careful that only if the base is same, because these things, I know that students make this type of mistake. If base is same, only then we add the exponents. We add the exponents in multiplication, when multiplying. So for example, let's say there is another case, a raised to the power 2 and then b raised to the power 3. So this term cannot be simplified further, because the bases of both are different. So they will stay like this. However, take another example where a raised to the power 3, b raised to the power 2, and then a raised to the power minus 2. Now here the situation is that two terms have same basis and being multiplied. And as you know from the properties of real number, that you can change the sequence of multiplication. You can put this a here and b at the end. It will not make any difference. So if I rewrite the problem like this, a raised to the power 3 multiplied by a raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by b raised to the power 2. So it will not make any difference to the answer. And now I can apply this rule on these two terms. So we can say that this is equal to e raised to the power, the addition of 3 minus 2 is 3 plus minus 2, which is 3 minus 2, multiplied by b raised to the power 2, which is equal to a raised to the power 3 minus 2 is a raised to the power 1, which is a, as I explained earlier, and b raised to the power 2. So this type of terms can be simplified where at least two terms have same basis. So we can combine them together and then simplify. But if both terms have different base, or even if the three terms and all three bases are different, then we cannot further simplify those type of exponents.